How to enable disappearing message on Viber. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Then, go to the chat where you want to enable disappearing message. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find disappearing messages at the bottom, which is below media, links, and files. Click on disappearing messages. You'll find different options to choose from disappearing messages, which is 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute, 10 seconds, and select the one you prefer. Disappearing message has been turned on. Now you can send any message and it will only disappear for the time you chose. After that, the chat will be cleared. This is how to enable disappearing message on Viber. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.